Hey guys, I skateboard, and I've wanted to make these cartoon videos for a long time. And the point is quite simple, it's raining outside a lot, so I can't make my next skate video for a while now. I just wanted to discuss random things pretty much. I don't mean to judge anybody. I don't mean to brag too much. I just wanted to get you away from the mainstream garbage on TV and stuff. So I hope you enjoy my show.
Most people don't like skateboarders 'cause they don't like dressing up like little monkeys, they do the little tricks and show off too much. Also, many people don't understand the American dream.
Also, I do not like mainstream because most people do not have facts to back up their ideas.
Some say they don't like skateboarders simply because they don't like stepping on gum on the sidewalks. I do not think that democracy is bad, but it is very biased in America. People do not understand that the economic state of the country influences the government very strongly. Though according to our government anyone can rule, it is quite ironic that our economic state, capitalism, lets only wealthy succeed. Capitalism very clearly states, quote, "Those with money rule economy." Unquote. So in conclusion, wait. Stop chewing that gum. It's annoying. As I was saying, our economy, capitalism, does not let our government type, democracy, prosper as the fathers of America would have wish. If you wish to see more videos,
Stop. I will do the salutation, you moron in a suit. If you wish to see more videos, then give me a thumbs up. If you want me to talk about some other topic in politics or history, feel free to comment and say so. Yes, I can sit in the air.